Welcome back to Ride Review, the channel where we dig into the machines and homes on wheels that make travel a proper adventure. Today we're checking out the brand new 2025 Avida Leura, a motorhome that mixes luxury, practicality, and a compact footprint into a package that's spot on for couples or solo travelers chasing big features without the bulk. The Leura's always had a reputation for being sleek and versatile, but the 2025 model dials things up with fresh styling, smarter tech, and living spaces that make it a real standout in its class. From the outside, you'll clock its aerodynamic shape straight away. Avida's kept the Leura nice and compact so it's easy to drive, but it still carries those sharp lines and premium finish you'd expect from a top-end motorhome. The build feels rock solid too, proper panel construction and tidy detailing that give you confidence it'll handle Aussie roads for years. Size-wise, it hits a sweet spot, big enough to feel like a proper home, but small enough to cruise through city streets and tight caravan parks without breaking a sweat. Step inside, and this is where the Leura really shines. The interior feels light, modern and welcoming, with soft tones, quality fabrics, and clever lighting that makes the whole space feel roomy. Even though it's a compact motorhome, it doesn't feel cramped. Avida's nailed the storage game, cupboards, drawers and overhead lockers everywhere you need them, so you can stash all your gear without the clutter. The lounge is comfy for kicking back during the day, and at night the electric roll-down bed drops from the ceiling at the push of a button. No mucking around with setups, you get a proper lounge and a proper bed without compromise. The kitchen's another highlight. Compact, yep, but super functional. There's a decent-sized fridge, cooktop, microwave, sink, and more bench space than you'd expect thanks to smart fold-down panels. Whether you're whipping up brekkie or something a bit more serious, it all works a treat. The fixtures feel solid too, built for actual travel, not just to look flash in a showroom. Out the back you've got a surprisingly roomy bathroom for a motorhome this size. It's a full ensuite setup, shower, loo and vanity, not one of those cramped wet rooms. It feels private, practical and, again, storage is sorted. For plenty of travelers, the bathroom makes or breaks a motorhome, and Avida's nailed it here. Tech-wise, the 2025 model gets updated control systems, so keeping on top of lights, water and power is dead easy. It's set up for off-grid touring too, with solar panels, generous water tanks and solid battery capacity. Safety gear and driving aids in the base vehicle have been upgraded as well, so you can take the Leura pretty much anywhere with confidence. On the road, it drives more like a car than a motorhome, which means long trips are far less tiring. What really impresses about the Leura is that it's built for actual use, not just to look good in brochures. The electric bed's practical, not a gimmick. The kitchen and bathroom prove compact doesn't have to mean cramped. The storage means you can live in it properly, not just get by for a weekend. And the little touches, like lighting, finishes and furnishings, make it feel homely, not just functional. For 2025, Avida's also lifted the quality of materials and finishes, giving the Leura a premium feel without making it precious. It's classy but still easy to maintain, which is rare. And because Avida builds here in Australia, tested in some of the toughest conditions on Earth, you know it's going to last the distance. That peace of mind is huge if you're planning long-term travel. So, to wrap it up, the 2025 Avida Leura proves bigger isn't always better. It's smart, design, comfort and freedom rolled into one approachable motorhome that's genuinely enjoyable to drive. For couples or solo adventurers, it could be the perfect fit, easy to handle on the road, yet fully set up to feel like home when you pull up. That's our look at the 2025 Avida Leura. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and flick on the notifications so you don't miss more ride review vids. Cheers for watching, and until next time, keep the wheels rolling and the adventures alive.